So, hello students. Today we see the worksheet 5. So, actually it is the worksheet 1 on equivalent weight. Okay. So, actually this worksheet is having many number of some different problems and difficult problems. So, maximum problems we try to see. Okay. So, first see. So, 0.5 gram. Actually, it's the first problem in the equivalent weight 1 worksheet. So 0.5 grams of metal or oxidation formed 0.79 grams of metal oxide. Then what is the equivalent weight of the metal? So already we done the same type of problems in the discussions, in the stoichiometry calculations actually. So here 0.5 grams of metal forming 0.79 grams of metal oxide. So here it is given only in terms of weight. It is given only in terms of weight. So here metal is formed metal oxide. So metal oxide forming ante we can equalize their milli equivalence. But ikkada manaki normality a condition same value ivvaladu kabatti we have to equalize the equivalence of metal is equal to equivalence of that oxygen. Okay, so oxide kabatti we have to equalize the equivalent weight of metal with the equivalent weight of not exactly equivalent weight, equivalence of oxygen. Okay, so here we can write equivalence, not equivalent weight, equivalence of metal is exactly equal to the equivalence of oxygen, because it is formed oxide means nothing but reacting with oxygen. So equivalence of from now onwards we write it as equivalence of metal is equivalence of oxygen. So equivalence means weight by gram equivalent weight. So weight by gram equivalent weight of metal. For this also weight by gram equivalent weight of oxygen. So gram equivalent weight we can write only with help with the symbol capital E. So what is the weight? The weight is given 0.5 gram. So what is the equivalent weight of metal? Actually we have to calculate that. GEW, gram equivalent weight, just I am writing as equivalent weight of metal, but I am writing EM. Okay. So what is the weight of oxygen? So directly it is not given the weight of oxygen. So here it is given 0.5 grams of metal, 0.79 grams of its oxide. So automatically so here separately the weight of oxygen. What is the weight of oxygen equal? We can write weight of oxide minus weight of metal. So weight of total oxide how much? 0.79. What is the weight of metal? 0.5. Simply 0.29 grams of oxygen was there. So what is the weight? 0.29. What is the equivalent weight of oxygen? Oxygen for elements, what is the equivalent weight formula? Atomic weight by valency. So atomic weight it is 16. Valency oxygen will O minus 2 always. That is 2. Okay. So on simple this calculation. So the equivalent weight of metal equal to, what is the equivalent weight of metal is 8. Metal equal 8 into 0.5 by 0.29 on this overall calculation. So approximately we will get 13.73. So I think in the option it is given 14. Okay. Okay, see the second problem in the worksheet. That is 4 grams of copper was dissolved in concentrated HNO3, that is concentrated nitric acid. So the copper nitrate solution is formed, means when 4 grams of copper dissolved in concentrated HNO3, there is a formation of copper nitrate. So here no information is given about copper nitrate, but it is given that copper sulfate on strong heating, that copper sulfate again strong heating, given 5 grams of its oxide. 5 grams of its oxide. We need to find the equivalent weight of copper. So exactly again here also relation is metal and metal oxide. కాబట్టి మధ్యలో ఎక్స్ట్రా కాపర్ నైట్రేట్ యాడ్ చేసిండు, బట్ ఆ నైట్రేట్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు మనకి. ద నైట్రేట్ అగైన్ చేంజ్ ఇంటూ ఇట్స్ ఆక్సైడ్. సో హియర్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ ద సేమ్ స్టెప్, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వివాలెన్స్ ఆఫ్ metals. ఇక్కడ metal directly given, so that is copper. Equivalence of copper exactly equal to the equivalence of oxygen. Okay, so what is the equivalent of copper? We know that the first formula, weight by equivalent weight by equivalent weight of oxygen So weight how much? What is the weight of copper? It is given exactly 4 grams. We have to find the equivalent weight of copper. What is the weight of oxygen? So again the same thing. So weight of oxygen, total oxide weight is 5 grams. So automatically what is the oxygen weight? So weight of oxygen equals weight of oxide minus weight of metal. So total weight of oxide is how much? 5 grams. What is the weight of metal is taken the starting point? That is 1. Means the weight of oxygen indirectly it is given 1 gram. So what is the equivalent weight of oxygen? Say atomic weight by its valency 2. So therefore on cross multiplication we will get equivalent weight of copper is equal to 32 grams. Okay, so very simple. That we have to notice what should we write the first step. Okay, see question number 3 in that worksheet. In an experiment it is given 0.1 gram of metal liberates 34.2 milliliter of hydrogen gas when it reacts with a dilute acid. So it is a general property of acids. That is when acids reacts with metals, they liberates hydrogen gas. So say that metal reacted with some acid and formed and released how much hydrogen? So 34.2 milliliter of hydrogen. So the conditions are given at STP. So what is the equivalent weight of metal? So here what is the reacting species? So reactants to manaki ichindi about metal. So what is the given information in the product about hydrogen? So reacted products we are able to equalize. Means here we can write the general formula that equivalence of metal is exactly equal to equivalence of hydrogen, because hydrogen is released. Okay, so equivalence of hydrogen, say it as a equation 1. So here importance. Okay, so further step we do. So what is the equivalent weight? Means again weight by equivalent weight. What is the weight? It is given 0.1 gram of metal. Weight by equivalent weight of metal we have to find. What is the equivalent weight of hydrogen? Weight. So actually it is not given. So we can find out the weight of hydrogen. Weight of hydrogen by equivalent weight of hydrogen. Simple. Equivalent of hydrogen means what is the equivalent weight of any element? atomic weight by valency. Hydrogen atomic weight 1, valency also 1. So simply here, so 1 by 1, no problem in it. But the problem is if you want to get equivalent weight of metal, you have to know weight of hydrogen. So weight of hydrogen is not given. In the last problems directly given in terms of weight. But it is given, the hydrogen is given in terms of milliliters at STP. So milliliters we have to convert it into grams. Okay. So already we know at STP we have a general relation that at STP for any gas 22,400 milliliter of any gas. Here hydrogen is given, but we are writing hydrogen gas. Okay. Hydrogen gas equal how many grams? 22,400 milliliter equal to nothing but 1 mole. 1 mole means what is the mass? We have to know in terms of mass. In terms of mass, therefore 1 mole equal what is the mass? Its molecular weight. So that is equal to 2 gram. Here they got how much hydrogen? 34.2 milliliter of hydrogen gas. What is its weight? Okay. So on cross multiplication, so on overall this calculation we will get approximately 0.00305 grams. So this is the weight of hydrogen released at STP. So now substitute in equation 1. So equation 1, so 0.1, we have to find the equivalent weight of metal. So weight of hydrogen, how you got? 0.00305. So by it's 1 by 1 simple. So what is the equivalent weight of metal? So just wait. So on this calculation, so we got approximately 32.7, or we can write 33. Okay. Okay, see the fourth one. So actually we are discussing maximum problems in this worksheet because the equivalent weight calculation is very important and it is also somewhat confusing. That's why just some taking risk, we are explaining the maximum problems. Okay. So if 75.5 grams of a metallic chloride having 35.5 grams of chlorine, I think, so it is not chloride, it is having a 35.5 grams of chlorine. What is the equivalent weight of the metal? So here the relation between metallic chloride, the information is given about the chlorine. So here we can write the common formula. So first writing the general formula is important. Here the equivalence of metal is exactly equal to equivalence of chlorine. Okay. So what is equivalence means? The weight of metal, how much? It's given 75.5 grams. So we have to write again the formula. Okay, for every problem you have to write the formula because it becomes a practice for you. So weight of metal by equivalent weight of metal. Same weight of chlorine. So directly it is not given. So what is the weight of chlorine? So actually the metallic chloride 75.5. The chlorine is 35.5. So it is exactly given. So here one important thing. It is not 75.5. So actually the metal is not exactly given, but 75.5 which is the metallic chloride. So what about weight of metal there? So I am writing separately. Weight of metal equal to, you can write weight of metal chloride minus weight of chlorine. So that is 75.5 metallic chloride minus 35.5 chlorine. So metal weight is 40 grams. Okay. So metal weight is 40 gram. What is the chlorine weight? 35.5. What is the equivalent weight? Equivalent weight of chlorine is atomic weight by valency. Atomic weight. What is the valence of chlorine? Cl always power minus 1. So that is just valence we are taking as a 1. So simple. What is the equivalent weight of metal? Equivalent weight of metal is 40 grams. Okay. You see the fifth problem. So from a salt solution of copper, so it may be, so whatever the salt, copper sulfate, copper nitrate, whatever it is, copper ion is present. Okay, it's called copper salt. Okay, so 0.53. So from that copper solution, 0.534 grams of magnesium displaces 1.415 grams of copper. Here it is important comparing magnesium and copper. So magnesium and copper metals compare cheste, magnesium is somewhat more reducing agent than copper. Magnesium is a more reducing agent than copper, because you know that magnesium is alkaline earth metal. Alkali metals, alkaline earth metals are good reducing agents. So come to magnesium is when magnesium reacts with even for copper sulfate, any copper solution just say, so copper will be displaced by magnesium. Means magnesium displaces copper is displaced by magnesium. So simply means there is a interaction between the copper and magnesium. So equivalent weight of magnesium is also given. Find the equivalent weight of copper. Just so we'll have write a relation that equivalence of copper is exactly equal to equivalence of magnesium. So we know that formula, weight by equivalent weight of copper. So this is weight of magnesium by equivalent weight of magnesium. So what is the weight of copper? Weight of copper is given 1.415. So two details are directly given. So equivalent weight of copper. What is the weight of magnesium? 0.534. Then what is the equivalent weight of magnesium? Directly it is given. So the equivalent weight of copper equal to so on these overall calculations, so actually, so in these problems, these calculations are also very important. So 31.79. So I think in option it is given as 32 grams. So compare the answers with the options. So see the sixth one. So the reaction is given. Manganese dioxide react with hydrochloric acid forming manganese chloride, chlorine and H2O. Here we have to find the equivalent weight of MnO2. So we know that so it is MnO2 is changed. So in the particular reaction, actually we know the equivalent weight of MnO2 in acidic medium. But so normal knowing is other thing. But here it is exactly a reaction is given. So we have to observe the only reaction. Based on the equation only we have to calculate their equivalent weight. So here MnO2 is changed to manganese. Compare the manganese compound to manganese compound. So actually what is the change in the oxidation number? The manganese, here MnO2 is changed to MnCl2. So here manganese oxidation number X, here 4. What is the manganese oxidation number here? HCl carries -1. Here oxidation number 1 manganese, 1 manganese, change it from +4 to +2 means the change in the number of electrons. The number of electron transfer +4 become +2 means the number of electrons gained is equal to 2 electrons. So equivalent weight of manganese dioxide in this equation is, we know that formula weight, molecular weight by number of electron transferred. So what is just I am writing the formula, molecular weight by number of electrons gained, or we can write the number of electron transferred. So what is the molecular weight? Manganese 55, manganese 55, oxygen is 32, okay, O2 is there 32, okay, that is 87. My number of electrons gained is equal to 2, so that is 43.5 grams. So just number of electron finding is the important one, this reaction. Okay, we see one more problem. So a bivalent metal, it is also exactly the 7. So a bivalent metal has bivalent. So here it is given about the valency. A bivalent metal has equivalent weight of 12. So find the molecular weight of its oxide. So here it is not given about the weight of metal or metal oxide. Metal oxide ki metal per perfect weight ఇవ్వలేదు. So normal గా మనకి మెటల్ ఈ చేంజ్ టు మెటల్ ఆక్సైడ్ మోడల్లో చేస్తే ఈక్వలెంట్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ మెటల్ ఈక్వలెంట్ వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్ చేస్తాం. సో అక్కడ మనకి ఏదో ఒక క్లూ ఇచ్చేది, వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ మెటల్ ఆక్సైడా, వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ మెటలా, సమ్ టైమ్ 2 clues are also given, but here there is no separate clue is given in terms of their weights. So it is given equivalent weight of that metal is 12. So equivalent weight of that metal is given 12. So here it is important, so it's bivalent metal, so its metal has equivalent weight 12. So here we can write so the equivalent weight, so equivalence of metal, or we can equal it it's metal oxide, okay. So we can write it a general method. So first I am taking equivalent weight. So equivalent weight of metal is equal to 12. Equivalent weight of metal 12 ఇచ్చినట్టే. So what is the meaning? So metal atomic weight. So metal atomic weight by valency is given. Okay. So equivalent weight of metal and formula for equivalent weight of element is equal to atomic weight by valency. So it is given bivalent. So therefore we can write atomic weight equal to 12 into 2, that is equal to 24. So means therefore we can write atomic weight. So atomic weight of metal is equal to 24. So atomic weight metal 24. What is that metal? So obviously it is a magnesium. So in the 24 వేరే metal కి వచ్చే ఛాయిస్ లేదు. But whatever it is, here we are not concluding it is magnesium. Just we are guessing it is a magnesium. So here మనకి ఏదో ఒక X metal తీసుకోవాలి. X metal ఇక్కడ given how much? 24. So X metal ki what we have to find? We have to find the molecular weight of its oxide. So therefore, so metal is a bivalent. So So it is given that in the problem it is given that metal is a bivalent. Bivalent means what is the metal position? Metal position is M. We are taking as the metal M plus 2. So therefore metal oxide is, we can write, therefore metal oxide is equal to, we can write MO, because oxide is O minus 2. Oxide O minus 2, M plus 2 and M plus 2 O minus 2 balance అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి we can write MO. For example, if you got the metal oxidation like valency 3 ఇచ్చిన అనుకుందాం. If metal valency is given as trivalent ఇచ్చిన అనుకుందాం, అప్పుడు plus 3. So plus 3 O minus 2 తో combined అవ్వాలంటే then what you have to guess the formula? So there is M2O3 we have to guess. ఎందుకంటే charges, we know in the crisscross method we balance the positive charge and negative charge. In the same way, so the metal is given bivalent, that is M power plus 2. So automatically O minus 2 kabatti M1 O1. So M plus 2 O minus 2 it is so the formula becomes a perfect one. Now what is the molecular weight? So molecular weight of metal oxide. Metal oxide is equal to, so metal atomic weight, oxygen atomic weight, right? Okay. What is the metal? Already we calculated as a 24. Oxygen generally 16, that is 40. So what we guessed is correct one, magnesium oxide. Okay. Okay, see the 10th problem in the worksheet. So actually there is 8th, 9th problems are direct problem. Direct problem is they are similar with the above problems. You see the sulfates actually is a very important model. So the sulfate of an element, sulfate, we know that SO4 minus 3 is the sulfate. The sulfate of an element contains 42.2% of the element. Means in that for example copper sulfate, whatever it, magnesium sulfate, we don't know about that sulfate, that metal or any element. In that sulfate, what is the percentage of that metal in terms of weight is 42.2%. So the equivalent weight of element will be dash. So here it is given equivalent weight of sulfate is 48. So just here the given clue is the 42.2% అంటే అక్కడ total element, for example, okay, just take any element. So metal sulfate అనుకుంటాం. The metal sulfate లో the metal percentage 42.2%. So automatically the remaining percentage comes to sulfate. So first we write a main formula. So that is the equivalent weight of compound. Equivalent weight of compound, equivalent weight of means here it is sulfate. Sulfate of an element is equal to equivalent weight of element. It is not given as a metal, that's why you are not taking metal. So equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of sulfate. Here we know the equivalent weight of sulfate. We don't know the equivalent weight of compound and we have to find the equivalent weight of element. So equivalent weight of compound find out cheste in the equation 1 we are able to calculate the equivalent weight of element. So for that a clue is given. So the sulfate means the total, the sulfate of element. It is given. This step is a key point in this problem. So in the sulfate of element, so the element is 42.2%. The element is 42.2% means here we can write in the same compound the sulfate is, the same compound sulfate is how much? It is given in terms of percentage kabatti. So here we get approximately 57.8%. Means what is the composition? What is the composition of sulfate is 57.8% because element percent 42.2 होते. Remaining remaining is only the sulfate. So sulfate percentage is 57.8. This 57.8 in terms of its value is given it's 48. Okay, so our direct weight we can compare with weight or equivalent weight. So the percentage will be same. So therefore the 57.8. So 57.8 percentage of total compound weight X angular. Okay, total compound weight X is equal 48 and 57.8% value is given as 48. So then whatever the total value, okay, so if the 57.8% of the total compound X equal 48, so then whatever the X value, so on the general calculation, just do the general calculation. So 57.8% is equal to value is 48. Then what about 100%? So for 100%, what you get the value? So that we will get the 83.04. The total value we will get is 83.04. So here this step is also important. So it is given 57.8%. 57.8% given 48 only. So then what is for 100%? What is for 100%? On the general calculation we will get X equal to 83.04. So substitute in the equation 1. So it is totally different problem. Actually very less number of problems are there like this. So in equation 1, so the equivalent weight of compound 83.04. Because we compared with the equivalent weight of sulfates, that's why we got equivalent weight 83.04 gram. So equivalent weight of element as equivalent weight of sulfate is already given. So therefore here approximately we get 35.04 grams. Okay. So we see one more problem. Let's see the problem number 16. So here 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are somewhat easy. They are also not 100%, very simple. They are, I think you are able to do that. So the atomic weight of a metal is given as 27 and its equivalent weight is given as 9. So find the formula of its chloride. So it's a very simple problem, but it is looking differently. So atomic weight of the metal is 27. So here we can guess atomic weight of metal 27 and nothing but it is a aluminum metal. Okay. So the equivalent weight is also given 9. So what is this formula of its chloride? So the aluminium chloride formula AlCl3. So we can't say direct aluminium, actual aluminium, but it is in the problem it is not having any importance. Therefore, I have to write in terms of metal, that is MnAl, okay, MCl3. Okay. So, but what is the process is, we know that equivalent weight of metal is equals What is the formula for an element? Equivalent weight of any element is equal to atomic weight by its valency. So what is the equivalent weight is given 9. Atomic weight is given 27. So therefore valency of the metal is 3. So metal kabatti is compulsory, it is only positive. So metal kabatti, it is a metal, therefore it always having in terms of positive. So therefore, so the metal is in the form of m power plus 3, and we can write therefore the metal chloride is MCl3, because so overall charge should be equal. The plus 3 should be equalized with minus 3. Each Cl carries minus 1, so its formula is MCl3. Okay. Okay, see the problem 19. So it's a very important problem, and there is only one problem is there, like in this model. So 1.520 grams of the hydroxide of a metal on ignition. So given 0.995 grams of its oxide, means it is burned in the presence of oxygen. It is forming 0.995 grams of oxide. We have to find the equivalent weight of that metal. So here the relation, here comparison between that metals hydroxide and metal oxide. The metal hydroxide is changed into metal oxide, means there is no other choice for us. We have to compare the metal hydroxide and metal oxide. So the equivalence of metal hydroxide is exactly equal to the equivalence of metal oxide. So we know that so weight by, so actually metal hydroxide, but you have to write the equivalent weight of metal hydroxide. We don't know the metal, but we know about the hydroxide. Hydroxide means it's a common, that is OH minus. So that's why we are splitting it as equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of hydroxide. Same again, weight of this what is this equivalent weight of metal oxide. So here again the weight of metal oxide by equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of oxide. So what is meant by oxide? Oxide means we can write O minus 2. Oxide is in the formula O minus 2, or you can write in the terms that is OXIDE. So what is the weight? Weight is hydroxide is given 1.50. We don't know the equivalent weight of metal, equivalent weight of hydroxide. So equivalent weight of hydroxide means so we calculate it separately. So equivalent weight of an ion. So what is its formula weight? 16 is 17. What is its charge? Charge is only 1. So equivalent weight of hydroxide is 17. Then weight of oxide, weight of oxide is given 0.995. Again equivalent weight of metal plus equivalent weight of oxide. So what is the equivalent weight of oxide means? We know its atomic weight 16, valency 2, that is 8. We know general of oxygen also we can write like that only. So that is 16 by 2, that is 8. So on cross multiplication we will get the equivalent weight of metal. Actually in the normal classes, in the daily classes, we done 2 problems like this. So here is 1 by cross multiplication. Here there is 1.520 EM plus So this value we got is the 16. Here approximately we got 12.16. So here on the calculation we will get that is approximately 16.915. So calculations also important to just there is a 4, 7, so we can remove the points. So in the overall calculation we will get 9 grams. So equivalent of the weight of the metal is 9 grams, means so it may be aluminium, the metal may be aluminium. So see the last one. So actually it's a problem at 20 in that worksheet. So the nitrate is converted into ammonium ion. So what is the equivalent weight to mass? Nothing but equivalent weight of that nitrate ion. So it is totally it is given in terms of ion. So nitrate is converted to ammonium ion. So here just we have to compare the number of electrons. So what is the oxidation number of nitrogen? This is X. Each oxygen carries -2. So the X equal 5 oxidation number. So here X equal to -3. So nitrogen oxidation number changed, decreased from 5 to -3. So nitrogen oxidation number decreased. Nitrogen oxidation number decreased means it is reduced from +5 to -3. So by losing how many electrons? By gaining how many electrons? So itself is by gaining 8 electrons. Sorry. So the equivalent weight of nitrate is equal to NO3 minus means nitrogen 14. So what is the charge? Power -1, only 1. Sorry. Here we need to compare the number of electrons, transfer of electrons. So that is 8 electrons. Okay. 10.25 grams. So actually the next 5 problems are also not an easy. Actually it takes a lot of time for you to do. Okay, just more concentrate on it because it is somewhat difficult when compared to the worksheet 1, 2, 3, 4. So must with patience practice the problems twice or thrice. Okay, if you have any other doubts in this worksheet, just write in the comment box. Okay.